boys and girls. For craft tonight, we're gonna make this cool outer space stand up that you can put in your room. It says Jesus saves me. It has a rocket ship and a shooting star and the earth. So we're gonna work on this together. There's lots of different pieces, but it's not too hard. You guys can definitely do it, but we'll work on it together. So get all your things together and we'll start working on it in just a second. All right, for our craft for tonight, take everything out of your bag and you can lay that aside. This craft has a ton of pieces. We have a rocket ship. We have a shooting star. We have an earth. This is the stand that everything goes on. We have stickers to decorate everything. And we have the back of our picture. So that's the back of it. So there's directions here to tell you what you should do, but you are welcome to follow my step-to-step directions, and we can build this together. So the first thing you want to do is, this is the bottom, this is the stand, and there's pieces here that pop out. So you're going to want to pop out those pieces, and those you can throw away. So pop out all those pieces. And set those aside. Now you can use the picture on your directions as a guide. It shows you where all the stickers should go on your stand-up. So let's put these aside. So I think the first thing we'll do is we can put the stickers on our rocket ship. So it looks like our rocket ship needs flames. Right there's the flames. We're going to peel those off. Now be careful, because these stickers will rip if you don't take your time. And we're going to stick this right on the bottom and line it up with the foam. And then stick it down so that it looks like our rocket is taking off for space. Now our rocket also needs a window. So we're gonna, this is the window right there. Peel that off. And it looks like our window goes right about here. We're gonna push that down so it sticks really good. So our rocket ship is done. So we're gonna lay that one aside. So the next thing is our shooting star here at the bottom. So we're gonna find our shooting star. Now it looks like this shooting star is missing the top of the star, but I think that'll be okay. I don't think that's going to be a big problem. So it looks like we probably need the biggest star. So there's a small, a medium, and a big star. So the big star is the one you want to put on your shooting star. So we're going to line up the sides, just like this. Let me turn it. There we go. I knew that didn't look right. If you're not sure, you can always look at the picture. We're going to line it up just like that. And there we have our star. Now you'll see on the picture that there's a cross on that shooting star. And on this white paper somewhere, there we go, is a white cross. So we're going to go ahead and put our white cross right in the middle of our star there. All right, so our shooting star is done. We're going to lay that aside. Our earth is right here. We don't have to do anything to the earth, but we do have a lot of stickers to put on our black background. Now looking at this, I'm seeing that I have the star on this side, but it looks like the star is on that side. So I'm going to turn it over so that our star is here and our Saturn is there. And we're going to start putting our stickers on. So it looks like down here, this big circle right there is going to be this purple planet right there. So we're going to peel that off and we're going to line it up as best we can. And if you stick it lightly till it's correct, looks like Molly left us some of her dog hair on this. Peel that off. All right, we're gonna push that down. All right, so there's our first planet. Up here, we have another planet, which is gonna be that one. We're gonna stick that one on, just like that. All right. Then up here, we have another planet. That's a little one with polka dots, so we're gonna pull that one off. We're gonna stick that on. And then over here, it looks like we have our smallest star. So we used our really big star, but now we're gonna use our smaller star. So we're gonna go ahead and peel that one off. Some of these are hard to peel sometimes, so you just have to find that one corner that'll lift up. And then gently, gently peel it away. We're gonna line that one up and stick that one down. And then over here is our Saturn. Now this is a little bit tricky. So what you wanna do is peel the Saturn off, but don't stick it down yet, okay? Kind of stick it on your finger there. But then you need to peel the ring. Now this is where it gets tricky because you kind of have to put the ring on the Saturn before you stick it on your black background. So it looks like this. You're gonna put one side there and let it stick, and then you're gonna bring the other side kind of behind it. It's tricky, like I said. There we go, okay? So you kind of need to put that on there before you stick it down on your black background, because once you stick it down, then you can't get the rings behind it. And then we're gonna stick it right on here, just like that, okay? You may need to get a grown-up to help you with that one because that one is a little tricky. All right, so the next thing we're gonna put on is this shooting star that says, Jesus saves me. We're gonna peel that off very gently. And we're gonna have that up here shooting across our sky. There we go. Now, we need to put our last medium star right on top of that. So we're gonna peel that up. And we're gonna stick it down, find the right way. There we go. It's kind of hard because I'm doing it upside down so you can see it. All right, Jesus saves me. Now, the other thing that's left are these tiny little yellow stars, and there are 4 of them. So you can stick those. Now, don't stick them way at the bottom because our pieces are going to be down here. So you don't want to put them down there. They're just going to be covered up. So it's best to put them up here around the Jesus saves me shooting stars. I'm going to peel these and just pick some spots to put them in. I think I'll put one up here. And I'll put one down here. That might even be too low, but the top of it should show. And then we'll put this one over here. And the last one we'll put right in the middle. Right up there. There we go. All right, so now we have all the stickers on. So now all we have to do is put the pieces into our stand. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different slots. So the slot in the back is for this piece. So we're going to stick this piece in. It should fit right in there. Now you don't want to push it too far because this has to stand up. I'm going to turn this and push this down so we can C. So there's the first one. Then the next piece is our earth. We're going to stick that in the next slot. All right. And then our rocket ship, let's look at our picture, goes on this side. So we're going to stick our rocket ship over here. And then our shooting star is going to go on this side. So that's what it looks like when it's done. And then when you stand it up, it's like a 3D. It's a 3D effect with our outer space picture and our Jesus Saves Me word. So I hope you enjoyed doing this. It was fun. Sometimes it's fun to do those step-by-step directions and get everything exactly where you need it. So I hope you enjoyed this and hope you find a good place to sit this so that you can remember that Jesus came to earth to save you.